Buenos días, buenas tardes, y buenas noches, estudiantes. Now that you have learned to count from 1 to 29, from 30 to 100, or rather from 30 a 100 is super duper easy. Super duper easy. You can do this. You can do this. Let's take a look. Yep, just as simple. It's even more simple. Yeah, just memorize these 7 new words. That bubble is absolutely right. It's just 7 new words. 30. 30. 30 means 30. 30. Say that. 30. Now, some of you just went 30. Now, listen to the difference between 30 and 30. So here's how you do it. Go ta-da, ta-da. Now, instead of going go train, train, 30, 30. Good. 40, 40. Yep, that's 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. 70, 80, 90. And guess what the last one is? It is 100. Exactly, 100. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, whoops. Okay, let's go back to this. So we already did 20 to 29. It works exactly the same way. So you'd say 31, 32, 34, 35, or if you were doing 40, you'd do 46, 47, 48, 49, right? Or 91, 92. It's just like that. Now you know how to count from 1 a 100 all by yourselves. You're awesome.